Hi, it's Fong from Little Random Happiness. Today I want to share with you a project that James and I have been working on for the past few months. If you read my blog, you know that I've been missing in action for 4 to 5 months now, and it's because we were fixing up our new place. There was just so much work to do. All of our rooms had wood panel walls and it was very dark and dated and pretty scary, but I'm happy to say that our hard work paid off. And I'm excited to show you the before and after of our living room today. So I hope you love it as much as I do. Here's the before of our living room. I told you it was dated. Nothing much to look at, just all wood paneling. First, we took down the ceiling panels, and we also filled in the wood panel roofs wood joint compound. This gave the walls a smooth drywall look when we're ready to paint. We then put up beautiful new ceiling panels. Next was a coat of oil-based primer. Goodbye wood panels, we won't miss you. Then we finally painted the first coat of paint. I love this paint color. It's aptly named Amazing Gray. We also put in the baseboards, painted the window trims, and installed a new light fixture. And now, here's what our living room looks like today with all of our furnitures. I can't wait to fill the walls with photos and artworks. It'll make the room even cozier. So stay tuned for that. Do you want to see it again? Here it is before, and here it is after. I still can't believe it's the same room. So what do you think? I love our living room right now. It's so cozy and it's neutral but still nice and warm. And I just love it so much. I want to spend all my day here. And I hope this video inspires you to maybe put a new coat of paint that you've been meaning to in your room. It really makes a difference. It makes you happier because the place reflects who you are. And you know, I hope you do it. And if you do have wood panel walls, I really hope that this shows you that it can be done and it'll be worth it. It's a lot of work, but it's definitely worth it. So I hope to share more before and afters of the other rooms in our place. I still have our bedroom, the kitchen, my office, which I'm really excited about. So keep an eye out for those in upcoming videos. And if you want any details, things like what paint color I used, where I got my furnitures, my pillows, anything of that sort, I will add those in my blog and also maybe somewhere below. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!